Hello, future fitness fanatics. Yes, you. Welcome to the magical world of strength training at home. Don't worry, you won't need a gym membership or fancy equipment. Just some motivation, a bit of space, and maybe a pet that's willing to be your weightlifting buddy. So grab those chips for one last bite, because we're about to dive into the wonderful world of home workouts. Let's get started on this journey to a fitter, stronger you. First things first, why train at home? Your home is your gym. No need to find parking or worry about forgetting your gym shoes. The dress code is whatever you want. Working out at home saves time and money. No gym fees and no need to wait for equipment. Plus, you can blast your favorite tunes without getting weird looks. Another perk is the privacy. No one is watching you struggle with those last few push-ups. Rain or shine, day or night, your gym is always open. Alright, let's talk exercises. We'll keep it simple but effective. First up, push-ups. Start on your knees if needed. Place your hands shoulder width apart and lower yourself down. Push back up. Aim for 10 reps. Next, squats. Feet shoulder width apart, back straight, and bend your knees. Lower down as if you're sitting, then stand back up. Do 10 reps. Finally, planks. Place your forearms on the ground, stretch out your body, and hold it there. Keep your back straight, no sagging. Aim for 30 seconds. If your pet decides to climb on your back, consider it extra weight training. Section 4. Tips for starting and staying committed. Starting is the easy part. Sticking with it? That's where the magic happens. First, set realistic goals. Start small. Maybe aim to do 3 workouts a week. Celebrate small victories. They add up. Second, create a schedule. Pick a time that works best for you. Just be consistent. Treat it like a date with yourself. Third, make it fun. Listen to your favorite music or watch a show while you work out. Lastly, find a workout buddy, even if it's your cat or a friend via video call. Section 5. Safety first. Avoiding injuries. Now, while we want you to get fit and have fun, safety is key. First, always warm up. Get your blood flowing with some light cardio. Second, use proper form. Bad form can lead to injuries. If you're unsure, there are plenty of online tutorials. Third, don't rush. Focus on doing each exercise correctly rather than quickly. Quality over quantity, folks. Lastly, listen to your body. If something hurts, stop. Don't push through pain. It's your body's way of saying, hey, take it easy. Section 6. Fun and motivational ending. You made it to the end. Give yourself a pat on the back. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a sprint. Stay motivated by remembering why you started. And don't forget to have fun. Laugh at yourself and enjoy the process. So get moving, stay safe, and keep smiling. You've got this.